Hello, my name is Alejandro Martínez. I'm a nurse and the teacher in charge of simulation at the Fundación Jiménez Diaz Nursing College in Madrid. Within the changes and progress that have been made at the college is the incorporation of OSCE through the evaluation of skills during simulation. This is where students go through different simulations, different scenarios, and are evaluated using a series of rubrics and checklists. We have to evaluate them, and this is where we saw the need to incorporate the Codimg tool. Codimg has made it easier for us to get rid of the paper-based checklists that we used to use to make calculations and score during evaluations. We are now able to do this much faster and more efficiently when conducting OSCE evaluations. We can evaluate using the different scores and rubrics that we have in any given simulation scenario. This makes the whole process much faster and much easier. We can tag any circumstance at any minute or any second, any action that has been taken by the student. Then we have the dashboard, which displays all of these tagged actions by minute and second, which we can analyse later in a manner that is extremely easy. We can also add notes and annotations during the scenario itself. All of this allows us to save a lot of time in the latter stages of the analysis. Codimg is a very versatile system which contains a lot of different tools. In addition to the main program, which is installed on a PC, we can also use the Codimg app on an iPad. This allows us to work independently to film, score, evaluate and share data. It has opened up many different options for us. Codimg has allowed us to upload our analysis to the cloud. In truth, it is a system which has many different tools and is very versatile. We even use it to analyse behaviour, the behaviour of how we act and how we handle different situations. It's an analysis of human factors and behaviour. To be able to analyse each of these in detail and always get the maximum out of it is very effective. In addition, all this data we're collecting, in many cases, is used in doctoral thesis, which is very interesting. This is a huge amount of data that we are collecting right now. And, under these circumstances, Codimg makes it much easier for us to handle the data, analyse it and share it. The fact that all this data is connected to relevant video clips is really the basis of the analysis that we're performing.